Hey everybody, it's Marcia from One Scrap at a Time, and this month I am guest designing for Clique Kits. So they sent me a February kit, and this kit included the Vicki Boutin Let's Wander, and also a German artist, Alexandra Renke, scrapbook papers. It's a beautiful kit. So what I did is I found this Hello Let's Go cut file in the Click store, and this was a free download, so you could get this one for free. I think it was for National Scrapbook Day a year or two ago. And so I cut this out from a craft cardstock. And then to give my cut file some definition, I inked around the edges with some brown vintage photo distress ink. So I wanted to make this dimensional, so I actually cut it out twice. Once from the craft cardstock and again from coordinating green cardstock. So I'm just layering the craft cardstock over the green cardstock. So I used a lot of foam tape here, and I also recycled some of my older thickers that I wasn't going to use. I'm not a fan of the circle alphas, and so I figured this would be a good bet to recycle these and use them up and give them new purpose. So I'm going to glue my title down on the left side of my layout. And then my thought was to add a photo in the lower right hand side, and then the title or some journaling on top of my photo. So that was my plan. So I'm trying to get my title on here straight, so it's not crooked. So I'm checking to see if it measures straight or not. I also did some foam tape, and I recycled some chipboard on the back side of my photo as well. Here I am coming in with some of the pieces I thought I would use above my photo. So I wanted to put like a journal card here, and I really like the map and the magnifying glass. It coordinates with my photo very well. So let me tell you about the photo. My daughter and a friend of hers went on a hiking trip to Zion National Park in Utah, and they did this hike. It's called the Narrows, and they had to rent waders to do this. You actually walk through the river in this gorge. They did this, I think, early spring, so the water was higher. My daughter said at some points the water was chest high in some places. So this is a trail that is prone to fast floods, and so it's not always open, and you have to be careful when you're hiking it if the weather turns bad. But they went and they had a lot of fun walking through the water. They also had sticks so they could tell if they weren't going to walk into a place with a drop off. So you see them holding their sticks up in the air there too. I really like this photo. It really shows the beauty of the gorge in Zion National Park. So I'm adhering a lot of this stuff down now. I wanted to put some dimensional elements on my title as well. So I saved the star that was cut out from the inside of the E, and I put that on top of the globe here. And there were some other ephemera pieces from the Vicki Boutin Let's Wander collection that I pulled out that I thought would look good here. So there's the compass I'm putting over the G. I figured it would look good for an opening for the G, and contemplating using the Explore for a title to go on there as well, so I have that sitting there. But I wanted to, in the upper right hand side there, I want to put Zion, the Narrows, so that we remember where this hike was. So these alphas from Pretty Little Studio came in the kit, and so I'm grabbing out the stickers to spell the Narrows. And at first I'm arranging them on a ruler so I know the exact placement of where I want to put them on my layout. So once I have them on the ruler, then I'll transfer them to my scrapbook page. So these stickers, it was a little tricky to get the inside of some of the letters out, like the inside of an A or the inside of the O. So I had to pull out a pick to help me get some of the waste pieces from the inside of the letters. So for the Zion portion of my subtitle, I wanted to do something different color, different size, different font, just something to make it more distinguishing. So I found in my stash these stickers. They're not really stickers, they're like a corrugated cardboard, and these were from Pebbles from several years ago. But I like the texture, I like the color, it kind of coordinates with the green in the map. And so I pulled these out to put on here, and I think it works really well. I like the additional green on here. So now I'm putting down the Explore, so my title on the left will be Hello, Let's Go Explore. And this worked out really well too. The Explore is from the Vicki Boutin ephemera pieces. So I didn't even tell you, the background paper is actually a Heidi Swapp ArtWalk. And there are a couple pieces of Heidi Swapp papers in this kit as well. This one is kind of a neutral one, but the back side of this is like a marble, all different colors, blue, green, pink. And I was really drawn to that side, but it was a little too busy for this photo and this title, so I went with the more neutral side with the green and white stripes here. So you can see I also added a butterfly on here. The butterflies came in the kit. They're like a painted wood veneer, and they're a little bit shiny on the top. They're really pretty. I'm pulling out some Heidi Swapp phrase stickers now. And so the one I have in my hand right now is the Explore one. But these stickers, they're not just travel related. They're a variety of a bunch of different things. Heidi Swapp is all about telling the story, and so these stickers, they kind of give this one gives a definition of what explore means. But there are lots of other ones that would be appropriate for your other scrapbook layouts as well, not just your vacation ones. I also found another travel related one that I could put down by the Explorer. I think this one says go see do. So I'm putting that one down with some foam tape as well. So one of the last things I did on here, it was looking kind of bare to me, and on my outdoor layouts I sometimes like to add some twine. So I wanted to wrap some twine around my photo, and I also put a tag behind that journal card up at the top above my photo, so you can see that in there now, just the top of the journal card above the Zion. So I'm going to tie some twine around here and tie it in a bow, and that's my layout. So I did do a kit unboxing, so if you want to watch that video, check it out. Thanks so much. Bye bye.